The journey begins with meticulous design and planning, where skilled artisans sketch the blueprint for a timeless luxury trunk, ensuring every detail aligns with classic elegance. Next, we carefully select the finest materials: sturdy poplar wood for the frame, durable canvas for the exterior, supple leather for accents, and brass for hardware, all chosen for their quality and longevity. The wooden frame is built by hand, assembling poplar slats into a robust box structure, reinforced with dovetail joints for strength and stability. The frame is then covered with specially treated canvas, stretched taut and glued securely, creating a waterproof and resilient outer shell. Leather trims are meticulously cut and stitched along the edges, providing protection and a touch of sophistication to the trunk's contours. Brass locks, hinges, and handles are installed with precision, each piece polished to a shine and fastened to ensure secure closure and easy portability. The interior is lined with luxurious fabric, often silk or velvet, cut and fitted to create compartments and drawers for organized storage. Intricate patterns are hand-painted onto the canvas using traditional techniques, adding a unique artistic flair without any branding. Every component undergoes rigorous quality inspection, followed by final assembly to ensure the trunk meets the highest standards of craftsmanship. In the final step, the trunk is polished to perfection, with any last touches added, resulting in an heirloom piece ready for adventures.